Sherman sure is shy. Wally sure is wonderful. For good question, what is Sherman like compared to the other peacock? Wally sure is wonderful. Sherman sure is shy. Breton Breton sure is proud. Sherman sure is shy. Red sure is fancy. Sherman sure is shy. Red sure is rand. Sherman sure is shy. Shirley sure likes Sherman. Shirley is shy too. Snow falls. For good question, where and when does snow fall? Connection, writing and art. What is your favorite activity to do in the snow? Write a picture and write about it. Science, how is weather different in the summer than in the winter? Share your ideas with a partner. Snow falls in the mountains. Snow falls on the plains. Snow falls in the forest. Snow falls on the ocean. Snow falls in the desert. Snow falls in the winter. Snow falls in the spring. Snow falls from the clouds. We fall in the snow. Space. For good question, what can you see in space? In the day, you see the sky. In the night, you can see the space. The stars are in space. The moon is in space. Planets are in space. Comets are in space. Satellites are in space. What do you see in space?